DJI has just unveiled its newest budget-friendly drone, the DJI Neo, a compact 135-gram selfie drone that's perfect for both beginners and intermediate users. It's lightweight, easy to control, and capable of shooting in stunning 4K. On the other side, there's the DJI Avata 2, a more advanced FPV drone engineered for high-speed, acrobatic flights with a larger camera and enhanced performance. While both drones offer 4K video, the Neo is all about portability and simplicity, whereas the Avata 2 is designed for immersive, first-person flying and advanced control. So, which one should you choose? Let's dive in and find out. When it comes to durability, the DJI Avata 2 stands out with its robust design, built to endure a few crashes. With sturdy construction and rotor guards, it can handle minor collisions and keep going. Plus, it features turtle mode, so if it flips over during a crash, it can right itself and continue flying. On the other hand, the DJI Neo, weighing just 135 grams, excels in indoor use and navigating tight spaces, but doesn't offer the same crash resilience. While its propeller guards provide some protection, it's not designed for high-speed impacts like the Avata 2. Now let's dive into what most of us care about, the camera. The DJI Neo is equipped with a 12-megapixel sensor capable of shooting 4K video at 30 FPS, making it an excellent choice for casual users looking to capture sharp videos and create quick content. It also features built-in digital stabilization and rock-steady technology. However, with only a single-axis gimbal, you shouldn't expect super smooth footage. For everyday photography and social media content, the Neo does just fine. In contrast, the DJI Avata 2 boasts a larger, more advanced camera designed for professional-level footage. It shoots incredibly smooth 4K video at 60 FPS, and its FPV capabilities, combined with an advanced gimbal and horizon balancing tech, make it ideal for cinematic shots and high-speed action capture. Where the Neo really shines is in its ease of use. You don't even need a controller to fly it. Voice commands or the DJI Fly app make operation a breeze. However, for those seeking more control, the Fly More combo includes a controller that offers extended range and precision, making it comparable to more advanced models like the Mini 4 Pro. Beginners will appreciate the simplicity of flying with voice commands or app control, and the Neo can even take off from the palm of your hand. The Avata 2, however, is tailored for FPV flight enthusiasts. It can be controlled with DJI's motion controller or paired with Goggles 3 for an immersive experience. Its agility allows you to perform flips, rolls, and acrobatics with ease, making it the go-to choice for those seeking adrenaline-pumping flights. The DJI Avata 2 is built for high-speed flights and sharp maneuvers, making it an ideal choice for thrill seekers. While it does have a steeper learning curve, the payoff is immense for those who crave a hands-on, immersive flying experience. Both the Neo and Avata 2 offer respectable flight times, but there's a noticeable difference. The DJI Neo provides around 18 minutes per flight, which is impressive for its price range. Plus, the Fly More combo includes extra batteries and a charging hub, so you won't be grounded for long. The Avata 2, on the other hand, offers slightly more flight time, up to 20 minutes, but this can vary depending on how aggressively you fly. If you're pushing the drone through intense FPV maneuvers, expect the battery to drain faster. However, like the Neo, the Avata 2 also offers a Fly More combo option with multiple batteries, allowing for extended flight sessions, perfect for capturing those intense aerial shots. Next, let's talk numbers. The DJI Neo is incredibly affordable, starting at around $200 for the standard model and $350 for the Fly More combo. For beginners or casual users, this price is hard to beat, especially for a 4K capable drone with such user-friendly features like palm takeoff and voice commands. The Avata 2, however, is in a different league when it comes to pricing, starting at $999 for the basic model and reaching up to $1,199 for the full combo. While it's a significant investment, it's worth every penny for FPV enthusiasts or professionals who value incredible control, agility, and advanced features. With the Avata 2, you're not just buying a drone, You're buying an immersive flying experience that the Neo can't match. Ultimately, both drones cater to different types of users. The DJI Neo is the perfect entry-level drone with easy controls, a lightweight build, and an affordable price. If you're a beginner or someone who wants a fun, easy-to-use drone for capturing selfies, vlogs, or casual aerial footage, the Neo is an excellent choice. Meanwhile, the DJI Avata 2 is a powerhouse design for those who want to dive deep into FPV flying and capture high-quality, immersive footage. Whether you're a casual flyer or an FPV fanatic, DJI offers a drone that suits your needs. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this comparison between the DJI Neo and the DJI Avata 2, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights and reviews. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What's more important to you in a drone? Ease of use and portability, or advanced features and immersive flying experiences? Let us know in the comments below.